Hello there, my television neighbor. It's me, Mr. Roberts. Now well, you're probably thinking it's some sort of device used for sexual pleasure because it's vibrating. But no, it's an electric toothbrush, something, kids, that you use to brush your teeth. Now, you brush your teeth because you don't want to get cavities. Because these cavities, it's like if you watch the Mucinex commercial and there's these little green beans inside your body and they build this home, and then all of a sudden they invite their friends over and they're dancing the conga and they're having a party. Well, these cavities, they get into your teeth and they're having this party, eating away at the enamel on your teeth. And they don't care about you or your tooth's welfare. So what you want to do to prevent this is brushing your teeth. Because you don't want to get cavities, because eventually you'll have to go to the dentist. And it will cost your parents money. And you don't want them eventually telling you, got the dental bill again, son, and realize for your 18th birthday, we can't afford to pay your college tuition. But on the bright side, if you need some money to pay for college, I know the manager down at McDonald's, and I could help you get a job at that McDonald's. You don't want that. And you want to brush your teeth because you don't want your teeth to get yellow. Because if it gets yellow, do you want some guy walking up to you and saying, I was looking at your teeth and I wonder, how many packs of Camels do you smoke a day? You don't want that. You might as well just pull out a bunch of your hair and then hope some guy walks up to you and says, excuse me, but are you a cancer patient? Well, thank you for the compliment, sir. Goodbye. Goodbye.